Hello everyone, my name is Karthik. I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all teachers for the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform SETII. Today, we are going to discuss about various innovative ideas and also we are going to discuss about the learning process of students with a very fun and interesting atmosphere. And now we are going to discuss about a chapter called The Wind and the Sun. This chapter, The Wind and the Sun, is from NCERT syllabus. The chapter number is 6, class 2, subject English. So how we are going to learn this chapter? We are going to learn this chapter with the help of an innovative idea called WordSeed. What are the innovations behind this innovative idea, WordSeed? The innovation is to enhance the creative skills of the students while they express their thoughts about the concepts. So this will lead to self-learning, and also this idea helps the children, helps the student to learn the concepts in a very playful manner. So this is the innovation behind this innovative idea, WordSeed. What is the objective of this idea? The objective is to revise the concept of action words or doing words. So this is the objective. How we are going to implement this idea? Before seeing the implementation process, let us see the pre-requirements for the implementation. The pre-requirements are number of empty slips or chits, a waste cardboard box and colored chart paper. So these are the pre-requirements for the implementation. Now let us see the implementation process. Place the waste cardboard box in front of the students in the classroom and ask the students to decorate the box by using colored chart paper. Don't tell anything about the activity to the students in order to raise the curiosity of the students. Now distribute the empty slips among the students and ask the students to write any action word on the slip. Each and every student should write an action word on the slip. Now collect all the slips from the students and drop inside the cardboard box. Now inform the students, as this cardboard box contains number of words, this cardboard box can be called as WordSeed. Now ask the students to come one by one in order to pick a slip from the cardboard box. Call roll number 1 and ask him to pick a slip from cardboard box. And also after picking the slip, he or she should read aloud the word in the slip. So if there is an action word called walking in the slip, means that particular student should do walking in the classroom. If there is an action word jumping, means that particular student should do jumping in the classroom. So continue this activity till all the students pick a slip and do this activity. So in this way the implementation process goes on. What are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, WordSeed? The learning outcomes are the student able to draw or write words, the student able to write short sentences in response to poems or in response to stories. The students able to identify characters and sequence of events in a story or in a poem. The students able to express verbally, able to ask questions about the sequence of events or characters in a story. The students able to respond comprehension questions in a story. The students able to record data, the students able to collect records and interpret simple information. The students able to develop their core life skills such as critical thinking, effective communication and decision making. Even the poor learners and the children with disabilities can improve their learning skills, can improve their learning process with the help of this innovative idea, WordSeed. Experiential learning takes the students from the abstract world to the real world. So these are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, WordSee. If you like this video, kindly like and share. Also, please subscribe Sri Aurobindo Society's YouTube channel ZIIEI. On another fine day, let us meet and discuss with another innovation. Until then, it's bye from Karthik. Thanks for watching.